Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to change email address on Calendly. You can easily change email address on Calendly. For that, open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.calendly.com, then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of Calendly. Now, to change your email address, you need to first log into your account. For this, click on login option on the top, then you'll be directed to login page. Now, to log in here, you need to first enter your email address on the given email address box on the left side. After this, click on login option, then you'll be guided to another page. Now, here you need to enter the correct password of your account on the given box. After this, click on continue option. Then you'll be logged into your Calendly account and now here you'll be taken to event types page. Now to change your email address, you need to first click on your profile icon on the top right corner. Then here you can see profile option on the down of account settings. Click on profile. Now here you can see your profile information. On the left side you can see login preferences. Click on login preferences. Then here you can see your email address and your password. Now to change your email address, click on change email option on the side of email address. Then you need to enter your correct password on the given box. Then enter the email address that you want to change with on the given box. After entering both information, click on save option on the down. Now here you need to verify your new email address. For this you need to check your inbox. Now click on OK option. Then you need to open your Gmail on your PC. Then look for the mail that is sent by Calendly. Then click on the given email. Now here you can see confirm my email option. Click on confirm my email. With this, now you'll be directed to your Calendly and then your email will be changed. This is how we can change email address on Calendly. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.